In Unit 12 of our book, we'll be covering the multiplication of decimal fractions. The two main takeaways from this chapter I want to use is that multiplying decimal fractions use the same technique as you would multiplying whole numbers. And as it has in here, it has an example, you want to count the decimal places. So here it has an example of 3.4567 times 3.9876. Now you'll notice both of these numbers have 4 decimal places. And the answer it gives in the book is 13.78383692. See if I've got that right. 7839369212345678. If you added these decimal places, so you add the 4 plus 4, so 8 decimal places. And that's one of the big takeaways you want to hear. In multiplication, you add the number of decimal places and count from the back of your numbers. Now we'll be using a calculator for these next ones because I want to go over this circumference formula with you in a couple of different ways. Circumference is pi times the diameter. Pi is 3.1416 is what we're using for these particular questions. And the diameter of a circle, it says, is 65, so 65 is the diameter, times pi, which is 3.1416. And if you get your calculator out and you punch that in, the number you should get is 204.204 millimeters. And you'll notice that there was no added decimal points here. So you started with 4, you ended with 3. Why is that? Well, it's because that last one was a 0. When you work it on your calculator, if we had done it out longhand, you would have shown a 0 in that last space. The calculator automatically drops it, so it can be a little bit confusing. Now, for the second one, you have a 48.5 millimeter times 3.1416, again, is pi, or an abbreviated version of pi anyway. And the number, if you punch it into your calculator, you will get is 152.3676. Now, you would think that there should be 5 because, once again, that first number would have been a 0. So the calculator automatically drops that 0. Don't let that confuse you. And this last one we'll work with, find the circumference of a circle, that is 3.267. We're going to multiply that by pi, 3.1416, and that is equal to, if you punch it into your calculator now, you should be getting the answer of 10.2636072. And you'll notice we have 4 decimals here, 3 decimals here, and we count from the right hand side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is our 7 decimal places. Seven decimal places. So that's the takeaway I want you to get from this unit. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, bring it up in class, and I will see you next time.